Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside UFC 5 with controllers connected and accounts signed in. Once done, press Start to access the main menu and choose Play, then Local Match. Make sure both controllers appear on screen. If a controller is inactive, press its Home button to activate the profile. You want the game to recognize two local players before proceeding. This first action triggers the split screen options and readies the match lobby so you can configure fighters, rules, and display preferences. You now choose fighters for both slots, pick their weight classes, and customize gear if desired. Once fighters are set, go into match settings to define round length, number of rounds, and arena. These affect loading and HUD spacing. Next, find display or camera options and enable split screen mode. Decide on horizontal or vertical orientation based on your TV or monitor aspect ratio. Make sure HUD scale remains readable. Adjust camera zoom slightly if one player needs better visibility. You're ready to start. Press Confirm and have both players accept readiness prompts so the match loads. If one screen remains blank, immediately check controller assignment and press the Home button to re-establish the profile, then re-enter the lobby. That usually fixes recognition issues. If you experience desync, stuttering, or low FPS in split screen, make sure to lower resolution or disable non-essential HUD elements to reduce load. Finally, save your preferred layout so you don't repeat settings next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.